Number 4, information to capability cross-mapping. With this viewpoint, we're responding to a complaint uncovered in our work on value streams. Remember, we looked at the take a trip value stream, but now we are looking at the send shipment value stream. Information to capability cross-mapping. With this viewpoint, we are already building on work done under the take a trip value stream. This is the promise of business architecture blueprinting. You can see all the rooms in the house and understand where the load-bearing walls connect. Think of the impact of tearing down one of those walls. Likewise, when we effect business change without understanding the capabilities affected, we can really damage a customer's expectations. Remember, we are using this level of discipline to not only look externally but internally to the moving parts shared around the business. There is plenty of insight we can gain from this example. As for the Business Architecture Meta Model Guide 2 from the BA Guild, we are looking at most of the core domains cross-mapped together, even extending into strategies. We've also extended the model to include notation for resources. You will see why in our final viewpoint. So we now have stakeholders, goals, value propositions, value streams, capabilities, organization information cross-mapped, cross-mapping many BizBox domains. We are now able to answer many stakeholders' concerns. If you go to Archi and look at the Views folder, then double-click on view number 4, then look at the visualizer, then navigate to the 3 vertical dots to the right. This will open the View menu. Choose a depth of 2. Now click on the Shipment Item Management Capability. See how we have many more cross-mappings in scope? We can address many core concerns from any number of stakeholders. You will see the realization relationship for shipment item. We are really getting to know the current state of Target Airways from a few core perspectives. Looks like our business architect is on his way to achieving the 90-day plan. Let's use Excel to drill into the realization relationship. Information to capability cross-mapping. In this matrix, we can see source objects on the y-axis, vertical on the left. On the x-axis are the target objects on the other side of a cross-mapping. Where you see type, you're looking at a filter for the type of relationship. This is cross-mapping. In this case, it's the realization relationship. Look for the business object on the y and capability on the x. See at the intersection of the two capabilities is the number 1. This is the number of time that relationship was used between source and target objects. This time we can see for the shipment item is cross-mapped to the definition management capability. With this viewpoint, we have covered off the core business architecture domains: information, capability, organization, and value stream. As the BizBox guide says, there are many questions we can answer with this viewpoint. Let's just review our key point for this viewpoint. Key point. We've cross-mapped information to capabilities that affect our passengers. This takes care of identifying capabilities connecting to critical business information. Don't forget there was an ongoing concern by a business stakeholder on passenger luggage. The good old question is, so what application and technology underpin this capability? So now let's move into modeling this using a new element that is part of strategy in the Archimate meta model.